In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable captions in Google Meet. Whether you're using Google Meet for work, school, or personal catch-ups, enabling captions can enhance understanding, particularly in noisy environments, or for participants who might have hearing difficulties. It's a straightforward process, so let's walk through it together. First, you need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one. You can do this by opening Google Meet on your device and following the prompts to initiate or enter a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, take a moment to get situated. You'll notice various options and icons at the bottom of your screen. I want you to focus on the bottom right corner, where you'll see the More Options button represented by 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a menu packed with various settings and tools that you can use to enhance your meeting experience. From the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Captions. Click on that. Once you've clicked on Captions, you'll be prompted to select a language. This is the crucial part because the captions need to be able to accurately reflect the language being spoken in the meeting. Google Meet supports a variety of languages, allowing users from different regions to use this feature effectively. Choose the language that the majority of participants will be using during your meeting. This will help ensure that the live captions are as accurate and useful as possible. With the language set, you're now just one step away from enabling live captions. Look again at the menu and select Live Captions. By doing this, Google Meet will begin to display real-time captions for everything said in the meeting. As the meeting progresses, you'll notice that the spoken words are being displayed along the bottom of the screen in text form. This text is the live captioning Google Meet provides, designed to help everyone follow along more easily. It's important to remember that while captions are incredibly helpful, they are generated by AI technology, which means they may not always be 100% accurate, especially with names or very technical terms. However, they should still provide a solid understanding of the conversation happening within your meeting. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled captions in your Google Meet session. From here, you can focus on your meeting content, knowing that all participants are likely to have a better understanding of what's being discussed, thanks to the live captions feature. This feature not only aids accessibility, but enhances clarity for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make your Google Meet sessions even more effective.